Today's video is, Bhooari dog behaves at Arby's, ungrounded.
Hey mom,
What is it, Bhooari?
can we go to Arby's?
Sure, since we have no groceries left at home, so let's go.
Meanwhile, at Arby's.
Mom, I said I wanted an mint chocolate shakes, barbecue sauce and burger.
Angelica, the cashier said that the mint chocolate shakes, barbecue sauces and burgers are sold out. You can either get chocolate fries, or we will be going straight home and I will cook you for dinner is broccoli.
That's it, you asked for it, I'm going to beat you cause you're not getting me anything at all.
Oh. Angelica Charlotte Pickles, how dare you misbehave at Arby's? That's it, we're going home now and you're not getting anything at all.
No. Please mom, I will be good, I will behave.
Here is your meal. Thank you. Have a good night.
When Bhooari got home.
Bhooari dog, thank you for behaving at Arby's. You're now ungrounded forever. You can do whatever you want.
Thank you mom, you're the best.
You're welcome.
The end.